Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a gift message block in your checkout page like this. So it may contain some title, descriptions and all. So I will guide you on how you can create such block in your Shopify checkout page. So watch this video completely without skipping. A quick note that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout Ninja Customizer app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can just click on Create Advanced Block. Now go for the Create Checkout Block. Now there will be showing some default template. You can just close it and just click on Add Block. Since we are focusing on the gift message block, just search for it and add this block to the checkout. First, you have to give a meaningful title so that you can easily identify this from your list of blocks. I'm just giving gift message block as the title. And so we can just give a title, let's say like include a gift message. And then you can give some description. I'm just giving, we will print your custom message and include it with the package. And button text also we can customize. Let's say like write your message. Now text area placeholder what you want. Then you can add this like say like write your message here or something like that. And you can just put a maximum character limit and you can just save the value or attribute to the anywhere in the storage. Like I'm just planning to add this in a message, gift message attribute. So I have added all the details. Now let's make the status as active and then save it. Now you will be getting a block ID. So just copy this block ID from here and open your checkout editor page. Now you have to scroll down and just add a custom block to the checkout. And we have to paste our block ID which we have copied earlier here in this field. So you can see that a custom block has been created successfully here. Since I have added already, I'm not planning to add one more, so I'm just deleting it. So landing on the app section, you can just customize or you can just place this block to anywhere else as you wish. Like I have added here, so by dragging this to any other place as possible like this. Now let's test this up in our online store. So let's try to land on our checkout page. Now you can see that write your message and include a gift message, add a message, our button text and all are coming like this. So that's how you can create a gift message block in your Shopify checkout page. While you are waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.